Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I'm your science teacher. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, today I discuss with you Chapter 12 Information in Our Life. So, dear students, in your last class, I discussed with you what is information and information in our daily life. Today, I discuss with you improvement of ICT. So, before I'm going to the class, I repeat it. Again, your class, last topics. I repeat again. Information technology refers to the study or use of electronic equipment, especially computers, for sharing information of all kinds, including words, numbers, and pictures. It is a developing technology that aims at obtaining the maximum information with minimal resources. Dear students, information has been the major requirement for progress and development. The 21st century is considered as the century explosion in knowledge. Nowadays, mobile phone, for instance, is a part of our life. We can contact with others by phone call, email, text messages, social network, etc. Similarly, the personal computer is changing and influencing our lifestyle. So, dear students, please take your science book. Okay. Open your book, page number 19. People have invented and developed various types of technologies in order to pass on information to others. Information and communication technologies, ICT, can be largely classified into two groups. Number one, development of communication technology, and number two, development of recording technology. Now I discuss with you development of communication technology. Dear students, we get a lot of information every day. The amount of information is increasing at a rapid pace. Therefore, we need to make a good use of information in our life. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing, and sharing information. The history of communication technology began thousands of years ago with the use of smoke signals and drums. In next stage of information technology, people exchange information through sending letters, including newspapers, books, journals, etc. Dear students, in the modern time, the modern age, the telegraph was invented by Baron Selling in 1832. So, dear, was invented telegraph? Telegraph invented who? Baron Selling. Which years? 1832. Okay. You have to remember this. The telegraph was invented by Baron Selling in 1832. A scientist named Samuel Morse succeeded to send information through wire using telegraph in 1837. So, dear students, who succeeded to send information through wire using telegraph in 1837? Samuel Morse, a scientist whose name is Samuel Morse, succeeded to send information through wire using telegraph in 1837. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone to talk directly with other people across large distances. So, dear students, who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. So, Alexander Graham Bell invented telegraph which year? 1876. After that, a radio followed by a television was invented. Nowadays, we use ICT such as computer, mobile phone, and the internet for communication. Do you know who is invented television? I think you know. The television is invented. Who is this person? I don't tell you. You have to remember who invented television. So, dear students, we can easily know what is happening in the other parts of the world with just a press in television's remote controls. Satellite channels also telecast live sports all over the world, which we see in television. The whole world has come to our living room. We can see many travel shows and learn many uncommon and unknown information about those places. So the importance and advantage of television and satellite channels are immense. There is some abuse of television and satellite channels too. Too much watching television hampers young people's study and kills their time. Television and satellite channels are benefiting us a lot. We should utilize them effectively and broaden our knowledge. Now I discuss with you development of recording technology. So, before going to the topics, in your textbook, page number 90, you can see a picture of telegraph. This is a telegraph machine which is invented Baron Sealing. And second picture is you can see Alexander Graham Bell speaking with a telephone. So Alexander Graham Bell was invented telephone. In ancient time, people drew pictures on the cave wall or used lithograph to record information. After the invention of printing press, people have kept a record of a lot of information on books. After the invention of writing, people used paper to write down the message. After the invention of printing press, people have kept a record of a lot of information on books. Nowadays, people use a camera, a tape recorder, a video recorder, pen drive, CD, DVD and memory card to store the information. Dear students, you can see some picture of technology for recording information. Here is CD, pen drive, camera, memory card. These things also used for store the information. So dear students, no more today. What we have learned today's class. How many groups of information and communication technology? How many groups of information and communication technology? So you can give the answer. Two groups of information and communication technology. What are they? They are development of communication technology and development of recording technology. Who invented telegraph? Baron Sealing invented telegraph. Which year? 1832. So who invented telegraph? Baron Sealing. Which year? 1832. Who succeeded to send information through air using telegraph? Samuel Morse. He is a scientist. Which year? 1837. Who succeeded to send information through air using telegraph? Samuel Morse. 1837. Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Which year? 1876. Please take your diary and note down today's homework. Read page 89 to 90. I hope you have finished your writing. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.